Ever since middle school, I've had a lot of trouble falling asleep. I've tried various different options, including melatonin, drinking chamomile tea before bed. And although melatonin definitely does work for me, but it's not something I really want to rely on long term. And I found that the chamomile tea, although it did help me to fall asleep better, it left me very drowsy in the morning. So I wanted to try something else, and somebody introduced me to the doTerra brand. This one in particular I'm reviewing is the Serenity blend, meant to support restful sleep. It has lavender as its main component, alongside its many other essential oils. And I have it both in the roller form as well as in the vial for diffusing. First, talking about the roller, this is a topical applicant, so you apply it directly to your skin. 10 milliliters may seem like a really small amount, but a little bit goes a long way. I've been using this pretty much every day for the past 3 to 4 months, and you can see how much of a dent I've made on it. It's a nice travel size, so I actually brought it with me on my recent work trips. You can check out my travel videos also on my channel. So it was nice to bring it with me to apply it to help me adjust to the different hotel rooms. It's a very good quality glass vial metal roller, and despite the small size, you can actually view all the contents in this vial by just peeling back the label right here. But then to add this to my diffuser when I'm sleeping at night, I have this vial here, which is a 15 milliliter capacity. Again, same high quality glass, and you can view all the ingredients right there on the label. It is so potent that I only need to use 5 drops per 100 milliliters of water for a typical 10 by 12 foot bedroom. And this solution can keep diffusing for hours. So from my experience, the first night, it actually took me a little bit of adjusting to just get used to simply having an additional scent while sleeping. So the first night wasn't great, but the second night was really impressive. Like, I definitely noticed that I fell asleep a little bit faster and I stayed asleep better. I'm a very light sleeper. And then the next morning, I was very well rested. But then the subsequent days, the effects weren't so dramatic. I found that, I did get a little bit better quality sleep versus not using the diffusing and also the roller, but it just wasn't as drastic as the second night. So the effects, at least for me, who is a younger person who doesn't have any health issues, is a little bit less dramatic as compared to my mom, who is definitely older, who has some health issues, and this definitely helps her sleep a lot better. So the results will vary from person to person and probably depending on your health status and your age. But if you want to give this particular blend a try, I know it's one of their most popular sellings on their website. I'll put a link in the description where you can also get a really big discount. And although I'm not affiliated with doTerra, what I can appreciate about this particular company's business model is they really focus on having a sustainable and ethical supply chain. Additionally, they are extremely pure and natural. They don't use any synthetic fillers or other adulterated contaminants. In fact, they care so much about their purity that they subject themselves to third-party testing, whose results you can view online yourself if you bought a pure bottle of their essential oils. What that means to us as consumers is we're getting high-quality, potent oils that will last a long time at a premium upfront cost, but then compared to the other cheaper versions, which will be very dilute and won't last a long time, over time it will pretty much break even. So it's up to you if you want to start with high quality, a little bit more expensive, versus lower quality and cheaper. Once again, if you're interested in trying this out, the link with the discount will be in the description. I am considering doing a comparison video between doTerra brand and some other cheaper version. If you're interested in that, let me know with a like, and definitely subscribe for more future videos. Thanks for watching.